Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by getting heat on. Bring 4 L water to a rolling boil, add 1 tsb salt and 1 lb pasta. Cook to package time plus 1 minute for bite. Meanwhile, chop 2 bell peppers and 2 tomatoes, rinse 1 cup spinach and measure 1/2 cup peas. You also measure 1 tablespoon oil, 1 tsb cumin seeds and dry spices. This saves time. Once the pasta is nearly done, reserve 1/2 cup cooking water and drain. Make sure to keep everything within arm's reach. You heat 1 tablespoon oil in a wide pan and crackle 1 tsb cumin seeds. This gives aroma without onion or garlic. Add chopped tomatoes and cook until pulpy, then add bell peppers and peas. Toss for 3 to 4 minutes so vegetables stay bright and slightly crisp. Pour in 1/2 cup reserved pasta water to lift flavors and create a silky sauce. Season with 1/2 tsb red chili and 1 tsb coriander powder. Once combined, taste and adjust salt so the sauce complements, not overwhelms. You add drained pasta to the sauce and toss vigorously so every strand picks up flavor. If it looks dry, add 1 to 2 tablespoons reserved pasta water to loosen. Once coated, finish with chopped cilantro and a squeeze of lemon to brighten the dish. Sprinkle 1 tablespoon toasted sesame or crushed nuts for texture. If flavors are muted, add 1/4 tsb salt or more lemon. If pasta is sticky or dry, add hot water 1 tablespoon at a time until silky. This is the key quick fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.